Hey everyone, super excited to share with you a new launch with our Temp-tations beautiful 2-quart bowl, but the first time we've ever incorporated cork. First of all, here's what I love about cork. Mixed material, but cork is so great because it's food safe. So you can actually use this lid as a trivet for under the bowl, but you can also use this cork lid for on top of the bowl. So come in close and take a peek because I want to show you. This is our traditional floral lace that you see here, but look at how neat that cork lid is. With, of course, that rim, it's going to sit right on top of the bowl, or of course you can use it for underneath if you're serving something nice and hot. But remember, it's food safe as well. So you can put your hot dogs and your hamburgers. That cork lid now becomes a serving platter. It's the first time we've ever done a bowl in our beautiful palm that you've been loving. Look what we did here, just a little cheese and some veggies, some hummus. Layering pieces inside our bowls are always such a great suggestion as well. And then last but not least, I love the fact that we have our patriotic and we have that beautiful kind of red, white, and blue where we did, of course, my fave, corn on the cob. So check it out, under $30, brand new launch of technology, brand new launch of cork, first time we've ever done anything like this. And I have to tell you, that double duty lid, oh, it serves a lot of purposes.